So, we're done with Zumba and we are going to walk around here at the park. Yeah, it's good. What's that? What's another activity? No. Nakaupo lang sila. Ano yan?
They are doing yoga.
Yoga naman daw yun. Ay, napakaganda. Yeah.
Or dynamics of exercise based on your own choice.
So, pag nilapag natin ba tong cellphone na to, wala namang
Really, this is not Philippines. I mean, this is our safe space. Well, there are big factors and
diba?
fields, but you know,
My
it's not
gosh.
as worse compared to Philippines.
Oo, na.
Because they are socialist republic.
In short, wala pong magnanakaw dito ng phone. Pag iniwan ko to, sa tingin mo pag iniwan ko to, may kukuha?
Basta, mas marami kasi CCTV dito. Tsaka mataas yung penalty sa kapag na-prove na nagkasala.
Okay. So, pwede nating maiwan talaga yung ating cellphone dito. Look at the view, guys. Iyan yung what's the name? Saigon River. Okay. Okay, that's part of Saigon River. Ayan si G. So, there. So, yung dyan na building na yan, yung building na yan, dyan kami nakatuloy ngayon. Okay. So, ito daw yung place na parang Rockwell. Okay. Rockwell BGC yung
Ng Pinas.
ng Pinas. Meron din ako nakita doon na parang may parang squatters area, no? Doon sa sa
Meron
likod
din tayong
banda.
alabang gilid dito, para Makati gilid.
Mga ganon. So, yun guys.
Kasi I think for every city may mga gano'n naman talaga.
Okay.
Hindi ko na-discover.
Vinhomes Park ito, di ba? Central.
Vinhomes Park, yes.
Vinhomes Central Park.
In District 2. This is where the expat and well-off and rich locals are residing.
Ganda.
Normally, yung mga unit dito, nag-range starting from $600 up to 1,200 maybe up to 1
Per month?
Yeah, per month.
Yan ang mga nagyo-yoga. Nagyo-yoga sila. Para nakaupo lang sila, G.
Yoga kasi.
Hindi, diba?
Reading ng yoga.
Hindi, diba meron ka, dapat gumagalaw din sila. Pero nakaupo lang.
Buddhism kasi.
Uy, why it's wet? It's wet.
Yan, pinaka breathing exercise. Kasi naman, sila yung matabang-matabang.
Oo. Kahit malakas sila kumain,
Malakas na pinaw, malakas.
Ayun, si tatay, So, mahaba to hanggang doon, Okay.
Siya ma-enjoy natin yung buong area natin.
Ayan, Doc RB Haliera. Good morning, Vietnam! And good morning, paulit-ulit na akong good morning, Dr. RB Haliera! Kasi gusto niyang isigaw daw ang kanyang pangalan.
How many viewers do you have right now?
20?
20?
Hindi. Yung live?
Is that live or
No, it's not. Ayan, napakaganda. Okay. So, habang nag-walk tayo, syempre, pinapakita din natin yung paligid ng park na to. Oo.
7 a.m. pa lang naman.
Yes. May playground din.
That's their...
Tingnan nyo guys, oh. May playground for kids. Yeah. Here. That. Naka-rubber, mat sila. Ayan, para safe ang mga kids. Uy, takyan yan sa atin, di ba? Yan, ganyan. Oh.
But this one is fed.
Ang galing! Ang galing.
For every part wherein you will go here, you will see people playing that.
Ay, ano gamit nila?
Any part of your body.
No, that's...
A feather. What the hell?
feather. Okay. Oh. Oh. Natuwa din akong ang galing. Ano?
Kumbaga sa atin, di ba may mga...
Oo.
May
May ganun din pala sila dito, no?
Marami silang physical games kasi syempre nung hindi pa naman technology enabled ang mundo, di ba? People are
Ang lawak ng
look at that
park.
kind of thing.
Gosh.
So
Ang
you're gonna
ganda.
enjoy it here. If ever you plan to visit Vietnam and really wanted to have a good stay, this is a recommended place.
Oh, meron din silang ganyan dito, mga doves. So, pwede din niyang i-feed, no? Ah, pwede
Meron
din.
silang mga...
Ayan, nasa likod ko, oh. Ang laki-laki ng park. Medyo malayo na yung nilakaran namin, ha? Pero, ito doon pa rin hanggang sa unahan pa rin.
Si Samsung kumakan.
Wow.
Si Samsung. Hindi tayo kay Delilah magpapicture. Sikat dito kasi ang ballroom.
Ah,
Sikat. Kaya yung yung sports. Picture kita dito.
sige. So, ayan yung tallest building. Makikita dito sa park. Oh.
Dami oh.
Hindi yan sampagita dito. Oh, ang laki na sampagitan nila, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Sampagitan. Sasabihin na to. Ayan. Ako, kakaiba kasi talaga tayong mga, abilidad ng iba nating mga kababayan. Good morning! Hello! So, lakad pa tayo. Yan dyan. Yung parang, Naakyat din yan? Pwedeng umakyat dyan? Ay, parang hindi. Parang nakasara, no? Parang nakasara. Pero maganda, oh.
Ordinary.
Bihira ka lang makakita ng mataba. Ako lang yata yung mataba. Kaya kailangan dito tayo tumira para tayo. Diba? And look at that guys, oh. Ang gaganda. Yan. Oo nga, no, meron pang puti. Ano ba yung sa puti? Ano ba yung sa pinakadulo niya? May mga units din ba yan? Oh my goodness. Parang, grabe.
Eh, yung floor natin 32nd floor na.
Oo.
Floor natin.
Oo nga.
That's
Ano
one
ba
of
yan?
the best view kapag New Year's.
Grabe siyang magpapawis, oh. Diba? Guys, nakikita niyo ba? Wala akong nakikita ng Meron, isa lang. At dalawa. Pangatlo ako.
Emergency Alpha.
Pangatlo ako sa Masyo
Emergency
Bay.
Alpha, mga burger na may mga processed foods. Food rather.
Pero kalamihan talaga ng mga nagubok. Talagang,
Talagang batang 90s.
sila,
na. Talagang
payat.
Nako-conscious tayo pag sinasabi natin foods. Kasi hindi siya acceptable during our time. Pero sa English yata ngayon, hindi na siya considered wrong. Nararamdaman ng LM tayo.
Na,
yung food and foods.
Oo. At saka yung term na mataba, hindi na siya ngayon, hindi na siya sounds rude ngayon. Parang acceptable na ng generation na talagang ang in ngayon ay jobase. Majobase. Oo.
It's up to you how you make fun of your own body. Pero others should not parang take that strictly because
So ayan, napakita ko na sa inyo ang Venhomes Central Park. So medyo malayo pa yung doon. Ayan. Hindi pa tayo sa... Oo, nasa half pa lang kami.
we'll try to explore the whole park within 7 days.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully we have
Sige.
enough time.
Hindi na muna ako maraming picture kasi sure ball ako niyan. Pag ang Gretchen ay umikot and with us, more pictures to come. more pictures to come.
Sarap yung picture na sa lahat.
Yan. Wow. Yung sa bridge. What? Wow, ito yung kanilang window machine. Good morning.
Sit
Ciao.
Good morning. This one is oolong, the strawberry.
Mm.
Good morning, madam. Okay, let's try.
So,
I
magkano
have
naman
here
yan?
like a-
Kung 10,000.
We have 50,000 down, so don't worry. This is more than enough. Do you want to try this one? This is a strawberry. Try.
Sige.
Okay, what number?
Strawberry.
42. Okay.
So, 42 yung dalawa. Ah, 24.
Hindi, number 42.
Ano?
From
Okay.
40 to 49.
Grabe, ang lalaki ng ano. Meron na kaming dalang 50,000. 50,000. Ayan. Yes, thank you. So, ito na yun. How much is this in peso?
In peso, that's only like 20.
Like
Or that's like 26 pesos.
26 pesos. So, I think it's 50 cents in dollars.
But I don't know how to get our change.
Ala, maybe you're...
I need to finish everything.
Oo. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's buy something for you. They have this fruit.
Juicy milk. That one. Juicy milk and what's the other one?
Okay, we still have
Ice, fruit, tasted, parang ano siya, infused juice. What else?
we can try infused juice number
Infused juice.
30.
Or this one.
I already have one.
What else?
We're gonna try the white coffee.
Sige.
The white coffee.
Or the cold brew? This
You
one.
wanna try that?
Oo.
Coffee.
So there's no change.
No,
So,
there is, but I don't know because it's written in Vietnamese. Do we get change? Do we get?
how can we
there is-
get the change?
It should be right there.
Okay. So, because it's not, ano, we don't have that in Philippines.
You have
That's why we don't.
6,000
Yeah,
left,
how can I get it?
but it doesn't like.
It's insufficient.
Should be around the number. Yeah, it should be around the number.
Okay. I don't have 4,000 though. I have like.
So we still have 6,000 and we don't have enough funds anymore. So it's a thank you. It's a thank you thing na we can't get your change and
I don't know.
we can't get our
okay, there's
money
an English
anymore.
translation. Sorry,
Ah.
I didn't.
You did not read it. Yeah.
It says here the product code number, select quantity, select payment method, and it's all in Vietnamese. So it's okay. We can. It's a gift for them. Let's
Okay.
go.
Okay. So
Here are the
yeah,
Drinks that we
this one and this one.
for only 50,000.
50,000! Grabe, ang yaman. Oh, there's ice fruit tea. Okay, so yun din. Bye guys!
Thank you.
Thank you for helping us. Kaya tayong mga taga-Pilipinas, magpasalamat po tayo kasi mas maayos tayong mag-English. So, kaya pag-aralan nyo mabuti, pag meron kayong English subject, please lang, pumasok kayo. Take it seriously kasi hindi lahat ng ano.
Studying English here, the cheapest per month. The cheapest per month is actually
Teaching English?
I mean studying English. Studying English, the cheapest is like 12 hours in 1 month. 12 hours in 1 month is 3,000 pesos. So if you will study English like 24 hours, at least that's 6,000 in a month.
Oh, yung isang buong araw mo pa.
Just for one student. Just for one student. Like if you have like 10 students, you already have 60,000.
So, may fountain yan dyan.
Ang cheapest kasi dito, studying English for 1 hour is
Pakinggan nyo si
800
Sir Jerome ha,
pesos
kasi
per-
nagturo na yan si Sir Jerome dito. So, G, maghanap tayo dito ng karakitan.
Napag itong edad na, okay ka na. Okay
Ay, yeah. Okay na to.
Kota na to.
Kota na to.
Okay na. Kasi yan.
Promise, ang ganda ng paligid. Nakaka-insecure lang kasi ang kapayak nila. Kayo medyo bis. That your baby girl is in Vietnam.
Medyo mahaba ang morning walk na ito. Kaya pinutol ko muna sapagkat doon ko ipagpapatuloy sa part 2 ng aking first morning walk dito sa Vinhomes Central Park na nasa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam.